In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TeamViewer does not show a password, no ID and password. If you've opened TeamViewer and the usual your ID and password fields are missing or blank, it's often caused by a setting that prevents TeamViewer from creating a temporary password. I'll walk you through a quick adjustment that brings those fields back so you can connect without hassle. Start by opening the TeamViewer app on your computer. You should be on the main screen where you'd normally see your ID and password. If they're not visible, don't worry, that's exactly what we're going to fix. Look to the top right of the TeamViewer window and click the small gear icon. This opens the settings area where you can fine-tune how TeamViewer behaves. The gear icon is the fastest way to access all configuration options without navigating through menus. Inside settings, choose advanced settings. TeamViewer organizes many of its connection and security controls here, so it's the right place to resolve display and password issues. Next, select Open Advanced Settings. This expands additional options that aren't shown by default, giving you access to the controls that affect how passwords are handled between sessions. From there, go to the Advanced section. Depending on your version, this may appear as a category in the sidebar or a tab within the expanded view. You're looking for the area where security and session defaults are listed. Find the option labeled Random Password after each session and set it to generate new. This setting is the key. When it's disabled or set to deactivate, TeamViewer won't create a temporary password, which makes the password field appear empty. By switching it to Generate New, you're telling TeamViewer to create a fresh temporary password every time the app starts or a session ends. That temporary password will then be shown on the main screen alongside your device's ID, so someone can connect to you if needed. After changing this, the password field will populate automatically whenever TeamViewer is ready for incoming connections. This keeps your sessions secure and prevents confusion when you're expecting to share access. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind: if you're using a company-managed device, some options might be locked by your administrator, so the setting could be grayed out. Also, the host-only version of TeamViewer can behave differently than the full client, so make sure you're using the version that matches your needs. That's it. With random password after each session set to generate new, your ID and password should be visible again whenever TeamViewer is running and ready.